The idea was born 2 years ago. The main reason was passing from the classic wood stove, classic wood heating to something new and ecological. First of all, ecological. In Montenegro we have one problem. Our country is not producing a lot of pellets made on the biomass basis. And this kind of recycling, it's not very familiar for us. We are not producing this. Our pellet, it's not recycled. It's not made of leaves, branches, or recycled wood and all these things. In Montenegro, for example, for 1 cubic meter of the wood, you have to pay 40 to the 50 euros. A lot of forests are destroyed by fire. So I passed from the classic wood stove, classic wood heating, to the pellet system. On the internet I found the open source pellet burner, which is made and arranged, and the author of the system is AndraŽ Gunčar, my friend from Slovenia. And I took all the blueprints and started building the burner. I constructed the burner with stainless steel, and my construction it's not like AndraŽ Gunčar, but in base is the same. I only change the external components like the view and the holder of the blower, so the system is pretty much complete, equal like AndraŽ's. The main problem was how I can arrange and construct some good automatic system for this feeding and controlling everything. So I contacted my good radio amateur, my good friend Milan from northern Serbia. So he sent me immediately one of his devices.